Hello, everybody. Christian here. I thought I'd give you a quick update. The Supreme Court of the United States did the thing. They agreed to hear a case that asks whether a really, really old case from 1935 called Humphrey's Executor should be overruled. They're asking the question that they've been secretly wanting to answer for a while, because if you haven't been paying attention, they've been allowing the Trump administration to fire Democratic appointees in multi-member agencies and commissions left and right, from the National Labor Relations Board to the Merit System Protections Board, to other agencies, including the Federal Reserve Board, which deals with monetary policy. Although they're not touching that one, that's a complete separate case that's pending right now. They're going to be answering this big question, and I don't know how I feel about that. I think the writing is on the wall, which that's a saying from the Bible. I think I know what they're going to answer on that one. More interesting, in this new order that they just issued today, they're asking whether a federal court may prevent a person from being removed from their public service job. Just like that. They're asking that question very broadly. Can a federal judge stop a public official? They don't specify which kind. It could be a civil servant, it could be a high appointee, it could be a mid-level manager. Whether that person who is removed from office may stop that removal in a lawsuit, in equity or at law. Sounds very wonky, but literally the way it's asked is so broad, it may very well encompass the entire civil service. And I don't know what to say, but however they answer that question could be a hot mess, because it means then, if the answer is no, the president can fire anyone he wants, from the very top to the very bottom. And why do we even have civil service protections anymore? Why do we even have labor protections? What if, the president in office, doesn't have to be Trump, it could be a future president, doesn't like black people, and he wants to fire people because he doesn't like black people in any kind of public service, or women, or any other protected category. So why did they ask that question so broadly? I have no idea. But it's not good. Stay tuned.